Good morning, USA, and good evening, Philippines. We are on our way to Jonesboro, Arkansas. It's another beautiful morning. Look at the leaves, they're gorgeous. Shout out to my followers. We just reached 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and thank you for that. And shout out especially to Mang Kanor, Finland, Dante Smith, and I don't remember the rest, but thank you for supporting my channel, for always coming back and watch it. We are close to the border in Arkansas, but in this area the leaves are not in full color. They're not in their peak, but it's still gorgeous. Now we just hit Arkansas. This is the border, and as what I said, the leaves here is not in their peak, but it's beautiful. Beautiful blue skies. We'll continue watching till the end, and thank you so much again. Well, see you next time. Oh, nice. We gotta see the lake or the river, but it doesn't say what name. It's Norfolk Lake. Norfolk Lake. It's huge.
You got a nice beach area over there.
Oh yeah,
Some sand.
very nice.
Got a boat storage here.
Yeah, you can go fishing here, just boating and swim in the river. Yeah, very nice, Amber. Did you watch, Amber? Did you watch? You miss it. There's the boat storage there. You miss it, Amber. You should look out. It's so pretty out.
Mom is crazy.
We have a nice weather. See, boat storage there. You can store your boat for a fee, of course.
Looks like it.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Alright, we'll be back. Hi guys, we are here in Jonesboro, Arkansas. We're picking up a load, and there's geese over there in that lake. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to zoom it in. That's geese. Yeah. It's another beautiful day. It's a little windy, and me and the girls are walking. Amber, what you doing? Okay, come on. Yeah, there's geese in there, girls. You wanna chase the geese? They gonna fly. That's so cool. Alright, we're gonna go back to the building. Alright, we'll be back. The truck is over there. It's inside the building. I don't know if you can see that. It's in dock number 1. We'll be back. It's pretty up here, girls. Look at the rocks. It's Rocky Mountain. Excuse my windshield because there's a lot dead bugs there.
A lot of bugs gave up their lives for this load.
Yeah. We are still in Arkansas. Oh, look at that. It's pretty.
Or what other people call Alaska, because they keep on thinking AK is Arkansas.
Arkansas is AR. This is a truck route. What is it? Truck
This is the
bypass.
because you can't go. You're not supposed to go through the town that we're bypassing unless you're doing a delivery.
Alright. We'll be back. It's pretty, girls. You miss it. You miss it, girls. Oopsie. Birdie. That's birdie. It's over there.
Well, that's the welcome.
Oh, that's cute. We are in Missouri. Not yet. It could be,
You see the sign up there?
yeah. It's gonna be a minute. 60 seconds. From Arkansas, leaving Arkansas, then welcome to Missouri. I think this is a truck stop. No, it's not. Alright, it's here. It's pretty. Welcome to Missouri. Alright. We'll be back. So we are stopping here for the night. This is a Love's truck stop. And it's so cool. I saw 4 super sleeper trucks. This is the first. That's really big compared of what we have. That's our dream super sleeper. It has a bathroom in there, a shower, a kitchen, a big bed. Yeah, it's so cool. This is the other one. This is the number 2 that I saw. It's so cool. That's why I said that's our dream truck, super sleeper truck. There's the third one. It's a white one. It's so cool. I love it. I hope in the future we can get something like that. And this is the 4th super sleeper that I saw today. It's so cool. This is Peterbilt. And the owner let me show the inside, but I did not take a video. But yeah, it's so cool. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.